New Energy Battery Pack Maintenance 3 Pieces Set. iSmart EV EB240, EP260, ET30. Widely used in battery manufacturers' storage, transportation, and the whole car factory battery maintenance, respectively, in these areas as play a vital role. The iSmart EV EP260 can be used for regular battery activation for storage battery packs that are left for a long time. Due to the self-discharge phenomenon of new energy vehicle battery pack, during long-time storage, it is easy to cause the battery to be in a low or no battery state, which will lead to the reduction of battery capacity and shorten its service life. iSmart EV EP260 adopts a wide voltage range design, which is suitable for discharging and charging of different voltage level modules. And users can freely set the charging and discharging rules and activation times. It effectively increases the battery capacity. In order to reduce the risk of fire, the lithium battery power during transportation has corresponding regulations. For example, the SOC of such transportation samples of LiFePO for battery packs must not exceed 30%. And the requirement for ternary lithium batteries is even stricter, so when transporting battery packs and faulty reworked battery packs, the iSmart EV EP260 can be used to discharge their SOC to meet the transportation standards. The iSmart EV EP260 can quickly solve the problem of declining range in the battery repair row of the whole vehicle factory. It simulates vehicle driving conditions by charging and discharging, so that problematic modules or cells can be found in time. When there are differences in multiple modules' capacity, voltage, internal resistance, SOC, and other parameters. For example, there are 3 modules ABC in the battery pack. One of them is bad, such as A, and needs to be replaced. At this time, the SOC of the new replacement module needs to be consistent with the SOC of B and C. One of the modules B and C, such as B, needs to be discharged to the protection value to confirm its remaining SOC. The B module and the new replacement module are then recharged to the confirmed SOC value, and the balance between the modules is completed. During the repair process, if the battery pack module needs to replace the problematic cells, the iSmart EV EB240 New Energy Battery Pack Cell Equalizer should be used to equalize the cells to achieve consistent cell voltage inside the battery pack in case of inconsistent cell voltage in a single module. As for the charging problem of the module, due to the individual difference of the battery and temperature difference, the voltage at the battery end is unbalanced, resulting in slow charging rate. At this time, the priority is to use iSmart EV EP260 to fully charge with high current, and then take iSmart EV EB240 to equalize with low current to speed up the charging rate, and finally complete efficient charging. When assembling the battery pack, the edges of the battery box need to be glued or sealed with gaskets. If the sealing is not complete, the new energy vehicle will cause water ingress when driving in puddles, which will eventually lead to internal electrical short circuit or corrosion. Therefore, in addition to some safety tests, such as wearing test, charge-discharge test, and performance test, air tightness test is also a more important test for battery packs. When using the iSmart EV ET30 New Energy Battery Pack Air Tightness Tester for testing, only the plug-in port is left as the air inlet. The rest of the holes are blocked. And the volume, test pressure, and inflation time can be customized by using the device to detect the pressure change in real time, and finally determine the sealing of the product to be tested. The same is true for the sealing test of the cooling water pipe of the battery pack, especially the cooling water pipe after the whole assembly. If there is a section of the cooling water pipe that is not sealed properly, it will lead to local heat not being dissipated in time, which will cause the local temperature to be too high and lead to failure, or the leakage of water will lead to a short circuit in a part of the battery pack, and affect driving safety. Therefore, iSmart EV ET30 will be a good choice for air tightness testing.